Hello everyone, my name is Julio Barrios and this is my virtual business card. On this slide here below you can see my contact information where I can be reached via email or cell phone. I first want to start by discussing my growth as a professional and my education. I received my bachelor's degree in kinesiology from the Masters University. I received my teaching credential and my added authorization in adapted physical education from Long Beach State, and I'm currently in the Masters in Coaching and Athletic Administration program at Concordia University, Irvine. As a coach and in athletics, my growth as a professional started as an assistant coach for various high schools, including Roseman High School and West Ranch, as a recreational coach working in places like the Boys and Girls Club and through AYSO and similar programs, and my brief stint as a club coach in Irvine. As an athletic coordinator at the Boys and Girls Club, I also worked with the athletics program, not only coaching and assisting coaches, but also running the leagues for the basketball and soccer programs there. And I'm currently a private soccer trainer where I work with athletes on a weekly basis to help them develop their soccer skills. In terms of leadership, I would say I'm currently a relational coach on the way of becoming a transformational coach. I still feel passionately about the sport and skills, but I very much so am working towards focusing more on the character building and the importance of developing relationships with my athletes. In terms of my leadership style or coaching style, I'm more of a situational coach where I'm willing to take control and set very clear rules and guidelines, but also give the opportunity for athletes to lead and have a say in how things work in the right time. My ideal program values that I would bring are humility, respect, discipline, and confidence. Humility to me is being willing to understand that you can't do everything and that you need people to help bring you up, as well as you helping others help others come up. In terms of respect, that's a non-negotiable where everyone needs to be treated the same, whether it's an athlete, a star player, someone who doesn't play too often, the coaching staff, and the leader. Discipline is also just as crucial, where we have to be willing to do our job and do it on a regular basis because that's the right thing to do and not just because we want to. And confidence ties it all together, where we want to have the confidence to use our skills and use our abilities to help each other and to help the team achieve their goals. My expectations are that standards start from the top. As a leader in a program, I need to be the one setting the standards and then living those standards out. I have to model them, and I expect my staff to do that as well. With that, the values can hopefully then be encouraged by my athletes, where not only am I sharing the standards and modeling the standards, but so are the leaders on the team and hopefully everyone else. My strategies to meet the goals that I have start with character building. If we can focus on building the character of athletes, then we have achieved the most important thing, which is we look at the person or the athletes as human beings and a person before we look at them as a player. Relationships between the coaches and the athletes and between the athletes themselves are so important because everything starts with how we treat each other and how we care about each other, and that's the only way to achieve a team goal, is by making sure that we're all on the same page. And then when it comes to skill and knowledge, those are things that are just as crucial as well, but they come after the character and relationship building. In terms of how do I plan on continuing to develop and build this program, is that I see myself as a lifelong learner, where I need to constantly be learning new skills and new strategies to help my team be the best that they can be. I need to model the values that I expect from my team, and I need to network and get to know and interact with other coaches and professionals to continue to stimulate and grow and learn new strategies. So in conclusion, I have the experience of coaching and education in the physical education and soccer setting. I see myself as a coach becoming a transformational coach. I have 4 core values that I live by, which is humility, confidence, discipline, and respect. And I'm also striving to become a lifelong learner. Thank you so much for taking your time to look at my video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.